Welcome to IPcook. In this video, I'll show you how to buy and set up IPcook proxies step by step. Let's get started. If you're new to IPcook, simply click Sign Up with Google to create an account. If you already have an account, just log in with your email and password. On the left menu, click Residential to open the dynamic Residential Proxy page. Under Plan Pricing, you'll see different packages, such as Basic, Advanced, Small Enterprise, and Enterprise. You can choose a plan based on how much traffic you need. If the preset plans don't fully match your needs, just scroll down to explore more package options. You can also contact our sales team directly to get a custom plan based on your specific requirements. IPcook supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, cryptocurrency, and more. Before configuring your proxy location, you must first create a sub-account to activate your traffic. Simply click the green Add Sub-Account button on this page and set your username, password, allocated traffic, and remarks. IPcook supports up to 10 sub-accounts, making it easy to distribute and manage traffic for different projects or teams. After saving your sub-account, you can proceed to set up your proxy parameters, including country, city or state, protocol, and rotation mode. For rotation mode, IPcook supports both random rotation and sticky sessions. Once configured, select your newly created sub-account under Choose Account, then click Generate to yield your proxy list. The proxy parameters are separated by colons, which can be copied directly or exported as a .txt or .csv file. To purchase ISP proxies, click ISP from the left side menu. Here, choose your preferred location, select the number of IPs, and pick the purchase duration. You can check the order summary on the right side. After confirming the details, click Buy Now to complete the purchase. After purchasing ISP proxies, click My Proxy. Here, you will see the details of all the ISP proxies you've purchased, including the IP address, port, username, and password. You can also use the search filters at the top to quickly find a specific proxy by status, location, proxy ID, or IP address. The process for Datacenter Proxies is exactly the same. Just head to the Datacenter section, select your specifications, and complete your purchase. After purchasing, go to My Proxy to view your DC proxy details. And that's it. You're all set to use your IPcook proxies. If you have any issues, let us know, and we'll be happy to assist you.